My name is Kelly, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will talk about customer retention strategies in detail. Let's get started. This is Hazel Watson. Let us look at a few brands that she uses. Hazel always uses Pepsodent toothpaste, L'Oreal shampoo, and Revlon brand of cosmetics. Now, think of the first time when she decided to start using these brands. She must have carefully considered all her options and then decided to go ahead with using these brands. Now, she is happy with these brands and so has continued using them for several years. Hence, you can understand that Hazel is a happy and satisfied customer of Pepsodent, L'Oreal, and Revlon. Now, if all of these three companies were to achieve what they achieved with Hazel, that is, a happy and satisfied customer, it's very easy for these companies to maintain sustained growth. One of the key principles in sales is that it's better to keep an existing customer happy and prevent them from going to your competitor brands, rather than depending solely on making new customers. This is where the concept of customer retention and various strategies related to it come into the picture and are crucial to any company's success. Let us learn about customer retention and various customer retention strategies in detail. Let's review the course objectives. Explain what is customer retention. Explain what is customer loyalty. Describe the drivers of customer loyalty. Describe the various customer loyalty breakers. Explain what is customer satisfaction. Explain attrition and silent attrition. Describe the various customer retention strategies. Explain the determinants of customer retention. Explain methods and tools for customer retention. Explain principles of retention management. Explain what is customer lifetime value. Explain the need of relationship with customers. Explain how to use strategic CRM for retention. Explain the myths of customer retention. List the challenges of customer retention. Customer retention is a strategic process to retain existing customers. It's difficult to exactly define customer retention, as it's a variable process. A basic definition could be, customer retention is the process when customers continue to buy products and services within a determined time period. However, this definition is not applicable for most of the high-end and low purchase frequency products, as each and every product is not purchased by the customer. Drivers of customer loyalty. It's very important for an organization to identify the factors and facets which drive customer loyalty. These factors help the organization to manage customer loyalty in a better and efficient way. Following are the drivers of customer loyalty: attitude, product and services, technology, human resources, and suppliers' culture. Let's look at each one of these in detail. Customer loyalty breakers. When customers end their relationship with suppliers, they break the loyalty with them. The following are the reasons which are responsible for loyalty breakups. Number 1, customer dissatisfaction. Customer dissatisfaction is the primary reason that results in breaking up the continued loyalty with the supplier. Most of the dissatisfied customers try to find more prominent alternatives, which results in their migration. In most of the cases, the customers do not complain about the dissatisfaction and simply divert their way to the other supplier. What is customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction is the measure of how the needs and responses are collaborated and delivered to excel customer expectation. It can only be attained if the customer has an overall good relationship with the supplier. In today's competitive business marketplace, customer satisfaction is an important performance component and a basic differentiator of business strategies. Hence, the more is the customer satisfaction, more is the business and the bonding with the customer. Customer retention strategies. The following are some of the important strategies that should be implemented for increasing customer retention, changing retention rates, short-term loss and long-term gain, pricing best customers, retention and acquisition link. Let's look at each one of these in detail. Methods and tools for customer retention. The following are some of the important methods and tools for customer retention: data sources and databases for retention, decile analysis, RFM analysis, targeting defectors. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Need of relationship with customers. Building relationship with customers and current market trends is the most important aspect that an organization should focus on for customer retention. The following are some of the substantial outcomes of building a long-term relationship with the customer: better customer perceptiveness, leads to customer satisfaction, leads to customer loyalty, leads to customer retention, chances of getting referrals, growth in revenue, cost to serve is low. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Determining and development of CRM strategies involves the following 3 steps. Step 1, amplify commitment. Step 2, build a valuable project team. Step 3, requirement analysis. Let's look at each one of these in detail. Myths about customer retention. Customer retention is a crucial factor for organizational success in a business. Many companies have misconceptions about customer retention in regard to assessing customer satisfaction in order to enhance business. Following are the most prominent myths about customer retention in the business world. An organization should endeavor a perfect 100% customer retention. Enhancing customer retention and enhancing organizational profit is equivalent. This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.